Hello my magical muffins, today we're going to be playing Blox Burg and doing other stuff, so let's get started. If you want to friend me on Roblox, my user is unicorn_citylady. Let's get started. And we're gonna get started. Play. Jesus. If you want me to do a house tour, I will, but today we are going to work. I need to get my moods up. Oh my god, I'm glitching. So this is sort of a house tour, not really. I'll do a better house tour later. Today. So yeah. Kitchen. I just gotta take a shower. Yeah. So go in the shower. Eat. Now we're bathing. Now what? Alright. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is okay. Ooh, stuff is starting to load in now. So yeah. Alright, now we're gonna get out of the shower and now we're going to go in my room and sleep so we can get our moods up. So yeah. This is my room, if you all don't know. Alright, let's go to work now. Oh my god, where are my things? I guess I'll walk to work. I guess I'll walk to work today. Cause like, I don't have a car yet because I'm poor. Oh, there they go. Alright, now we're gonna go to work. Go to work. And then the best work is going to be the delivery person because you get the most money. And while we're loading in, make sure to click that like button and smash that subscribe button with your fist. And I would like to get to 10 likes. That's my goal. 10 likes. I believe in y'all. Alright, let's get started working. Okay. Should I tell a story while I'm working? Or should I just pause it? I'll tell a story. Alright. We're gonna tell a story about one day at camp. So, one day, it was in like 2019, I think. 2018 or 2019. It's 2020, in the middle of Rona. I hate Rona. Comment down below if you hate Rona. I really hate Rona. And then I used to go to summer camp because both my parents had to work and they couldn't look after me and my brother. Right? And there's this one day of literally every year, because I went to that camp. For 2 years. Okay? And I was about 7, 8 years old in the 3rd grade. Yeah, 3rd grade. And there was this one mean child. Really mean. She was literally the worst ever. Like, literally, she was the worst. She literally had friends that would bully me. They wouldn't bully me, they would just be really mean. And then, so one day, and then they had to split us up in groups. So, yeah. And they had to do, like, girls and boys in separate groups, right? And I was with the girls, because I'm a girl. And, yeah. And then I was literally, because we, who is knocking at my door? Rubber Ruby 700. Hold on. I'm gonna go to my house. Anyway, continuing with this very awesome story here. Where was I? Oh yeah. We switched to groups every 2 weeks. And we had overnights, and they're called sessions, and we had overnights the last week of every session, and I was about and there's 4 sessions, and I was about the 2nd or 3rd session. Something fell. Oh my god. That wasn't me? Alright, sorry. That was the 3rd or 2nd session. And this mean child. And then, yeah. So, yeah, and then she would bully me, and then when the counselor was like not looking, yeah. Okay, how much money have we made? Let's look. So yeah, let's see too. I'll move this down. I'm big. I'm bad. Work. We have made 1,000. Who is knocking at? Hold on. I'm about to go to my house. Am I? I think I'm. Yeah, we're gonna go to my house. Okay, we're gonna move this over like that. There. There we go.
You don't want to? You're not interested? You don't.
Okay, now we're gonna go to my house and see who the heck is knocking at my door. I think this is my house. And then we'll deliver this pizza. So we are going to my house and nobody's there. Like, bruh. Well, let's deliver this pizza now. Ciao. Anyways, so, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna just pause this and then I'll unpause it when I'm done working. Alright, hi guys, I got about $2,154 and that's all we're gonna do for today, so let's end my shift. End shift. And there we go. I now have how much money do I have now? 9,322. We're gonna go to my house, so let's just teleport there. So click that, and then go to house. Now, it's gonna load. And if you're watching this and you are of age to vote, you should go out and vote. Now. Voting is also very, very important. So, go vote if you're of age. Or should we roleplay? Guys, should we roleplay in the next video? Comment down below if we should. Let's get us a nice... Who's that? Hold it. Oh my god. Felicia, what is you doing? Okay, hold on. Y'all are gonna see this. We're gonna roleplay, so. So, yeah. I'm gonna tell her I'm making a vid. Okay, if you, oh my god, want to sub, it is, oh my god, light, it's moon, how do you spell muffins? Oh my god, how do you spell muffins? We're asking Siri.
Muffins. M-U-F-F-I-N-S.
Moonlight? So yeah. Alright, now I have to change. Ooh, she just turned on the light. She's like a teenager, bruh. Cause this is my height, it's an adult, and then this is my height compared to her height. Cause I'm looking down and she's looking down to us. And we look very different. So, yeah. Now we're going to change customize character. This one's actually really good. So, I'll do this room. Alright, remember now, I'm like a very good roleplay kid, so... Alright, So